Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome back again. Today's video is another hair care banger. Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back. So today's video, I will share with you guys this simple effective hair growth mask. This is an all-in-one super effective hair growth mask that will really condition your hair, make it soft, make it more manageable, and also help you to detangle your hair. So if you are interested in this video, please like, share, subscribe if this is your first time, and join the family. So guys, my sweet amazing people, let's get right into it. The first ingredient is going to be rice water. Rice water help to detangle hair, make hair smooth, help hair grow, and also make hair stronger. So I'm going to be using my infused hot process rice water. You can make rice water in different ways. Either you use the cold process method or you use the hot process method. So I was about to cook my rice, and then I took part of the rice water while parboiling the rice. So you can either do the cold process method by putting rice in a jar and leaving it overnight for it to ferment, or you can just parboil your rice if you want to cook and eat your rice and take part of the water. So we are going to be using fenugreek and flaxseed. Guys, these two seeds is amazing. It is a staple in my hair care routine. Fenugreek seed is rich source of iron and protein, and flaxseed strengthen your hair. So I'm going to be adding the water, the rice water, and both the fenugreek and the flaxseed. I will add it into my pot. And then I will add in another extra water for it to boil together. Yes, we are going to be boiling this for about 15 minutes, or depending on the heat of your stove. So you want to heat it up till it becomes jelly bubbling. So after heating it up, you allow it to cool down and then blend everything together. You guys are going to see the process. So this is the jelly consistency. You can just decide to filter this and use the liquid, or you can decide to make everything again by blending it and squeezing everything out.